from the most dynamic and spectacular universal consciousness. On behalf of Siddha Cosmic and Star Seeds, I'm dropping a special access into the ocean of all the human consciousness. If you are able to find us, please connect us. Whether you are an individual or a beautiful blossoming child, or you are the company or the corporate companies, or a visionary leader, if you love to accomplish the most best of your life, welcome to the world of Siddha Cosmic. You can log into www.siddhacosmic.org or Starseeds World, www.starseeds, STARSEEDS.WORLD, world. We have, using this special access, you can accomplish any level of success, happiness, joy, all in abundance. A shortcut. Welcome to Siddha Cosmic. Lots of love to you all. All the best.